It tried to come get us. You saw that?
Yeah. Now what? Come with the gun.
You got scared?
Yeah.
As y'all gonna see on the video that I had posted when I was riding the bike, when the motor went out, I just found this. Remember when I did the throttle, this on the video while we were doing the wiring of the far driver, and I said I wasn't gonna leave the throttle cable like that. One of these had snapped loose, so I'm starting to wonder is that's the reason why it stopped working. And the crazy thing about electric bikes, let's say one of these little wires right here coming loose, and it be up under there and you don't know it, and you'll be thinking your bike messed up when it's one little wire. So make sure y'all have y'all wires connected properly. As you can see, I ordered these little clamps, I ordered this, and I got this kit. That way with these, I ain't really gotta solder no wires together. I can clamp one wire on the other side, one wire on this side, and it's connected. And then I put these little sleeves right here over it, and boom, save a lot of time from like soldering the wires together. But you'll see how I'm finna do it. So this what I just did. See how these clamp on here? So basically I clamp these on here. Let me show you. See how it clamped together? Instead of having to solder the wires together, this little connector clamp these two together. I had used it on the on these wires right here too, for the front headlight. I had connected the use one of these to connect the wire from the switch to the headlight, so I wouldn't have to do no soldering. These come in handy. It sure save a lot of time for soldering. And I haven't really tested them yet to see the quality of them, but I'm pretty sure they should be good, because it's basically just clamping this wire to this end and clamping this wire to this end, and they basically connected together on these little connector right here. And then you cover them up, and then you just heat shrink each one so they're not touching. And then I'm gonna put this right here over these three, and then heat shrink that. Boom. I'm about to try this because I'm gonna have to use this for the heat shrink the batteries. So I'm finna see how good it work for to do this little job. If it don't work good, I'm sending this little cheap shit back and give me a good one. But if this work, this is all you need. Oh yeah, and that motor on the way. I just messaged the dude from NB Power. He's sending me a 3K motor. He just messaged me, making sure I got the right controller. But he said he gonna have that out to me within the next 5 days, he said. So I should have that by the 16 or the 18. So I'm gonna be back on the road within a week. I'm finna see how this works. Alright, so y'all can see the results. The little cheap AliExpress heat gun, it worked pretty good. Just like the dude online said, he said it don't get too hot, but it get hot enough to heat shrink so everything be waterproof. So it sunk that in. And I cut this a little too short. I'm gonna put some tape on it like I did this one. Once I make sure they taped up good enough where they're not touching, then I'm gonna heat shrink this one. Nah, let me finish this. But now I'm about to heat shrink this. Let me give y'all a little. what's the name of how it works. It's not a real strong heat gun, but it get the job done. And I'm gonna need 2 hands for it because I want to push down on it while I'm doing it. But I'm gonna show y'all how it look when I'm done. Alright, this is how it turned out. I put a little tape at the end to make sure it's properly sealed. I just honestly learned how to use this electric tape. When you wrapping it, what you wanna, I'm gonna give a demonstration when I have my chest mount, but when you wrapping it, what you wanna do is pull on it real tight, stretch it real tight, pull it down real hard for to make it look clean like that at the end. So that way it's sealed tight. Now this look 10 times better than what it was. But this is my throttle plug. And this the end was connected to the controller. As y'all can see how I did this one. So that way so right here I got my throttle. Right here I got my on and off switch and voltmeter. These connect to the controller minus and positive for to show the voltage of the battery. This right here is basically the switch that turned the bike on and off. And what I did is I connected the JST connect, because I see a lot of people, what they do is they connect it to the controller, the little mount up on here, they connect it to the positive terminal, like as you would do these. Because I see people do it different ways. I see people basically they connect the voltmeter. I forgot how to do it online. They basically cut some wires out this and connect these to this, and then they connect this wire to the controller. What I've been doing is I connect these to the controller for the read the battery and connect them with the battery terminal thing on there, up under there. And then the switch right here, as you can see, let me see. As you can see, I connected the JST connector to that. So now I can just plug everything up. Plug my throttle up, right to the cable. Right here is my 3-speed switch. That got a JST connector now. And I learned this from Ebike guy. Shout out to Ebike guy. He had come in on my last video. But this connect to the 3-speed, as you can see. I got my throttle. And then I got my voltmeter and the kill switch. And I tried to make everything different because I got an idea I'll have to do it online. That way you're not confused about which wire is which wire. So you got the 3-speed throttle, and then you got the voltage and the kill switch. And as y'all can see, what I did, I basically tied up everything that I don't need on that side and just kept the Bluetooth connected. And then I got my phase. The 2 red ones are for the alarm. I haven't figured out, it's a way you can connect this alarm. And right now, all it do is when the bike shake and the alarm activated, it'll start sounding off. But it's a way you can connect it to this one right here, I think. And you can basically make it where, like, even if I turn the key, and if the alarm activated, it won't turn the bike on because it's basically like a blockage between the motor and the battery. I'm gonna figure out how to do that later on. And I got my 3-speed right there with a JST connector, the kill switch wire, JST connector, 2 alarm plugs, and then I got my throttle. So all I gotta do is literally just plug everything up right there. Once I plug everything up, all this gonna get tucked up under there, and then I'm gonna have the little guards right here to block everything off, like I said. And that's why I got the alarm at under the back right there. Yeah, we getting the dude just messaged me and said the motor should be here by Christmas. The motor will be here over about the 16th or the 18th. So I should be on the road within the next 5 days. And then this right here is for my lights. And this box right here is a step down converter. It's basically connected like this. Let me show y'all. You see this little block terminal? So this is connected. Well, these wires right here is gonna connect straight to the battery. And from the battery, it's gonna go through here and they go in these wires. And whatever I connect in this terminal, right now I got the headlight. No, this the headlight and the these the LED lights. So I think I got space for like 3 more connections, so I can basically connect. I'm gonna end up connecting it's another, I'm gonna get some more LED lights and I'm gonna connect the charger to here. So basically once it connected to this terminal, I'm gonna basically, you understand what I'm saying. This step down converter block is connected to here, and I can just basically plug it in here. And that'll turn it to 12 to 24 volts. So everything gonna be tucked up under here though. All the wires gonna be tucked in this space, and this whole space is gonna be covered up. I ordered some like some plastic panels. He got a root beer. I ordered some plastic panels, and that's gonna cover up the sides and the bottom. It's basically like some, I think like 6mm plastic panels where you can cut it, and I'm gonna basically cut it to fit exactly right here on the other side, and then the bottom. And then once I put the battery right here, I'm gonna shape it where it have a hole in it, and it just, the battery can stick through the top a little bit, and everything gonna be, I can literally have it. It's gonna be hanging how it's hanging now, but you're not gonna be able to see none of it. Yeah. What you gonna get? Say what's up to my YouTube first.
I thought I had you.
Say what's up, YouTube.
I thought I had you.
You ready to ride the bike?
Yes.
You miss riding the bike? I'm fixing it, alright? We just gotta wait till the motor come. Then we're gonna be back on the road. Alright? You like the lights on the bike? Tell them about the lights you were playing with earlier. You like the lights? What What up, Cart? Y'all won't even believe this. You know, I'm organizing the wires and all that to get it ready for the side panels and all that. So after going through the wires, I looked at the thing what I just showed y'all that I clamped together. The throttle plug. One of those wires will actually snap loose. So I re-put it back together. I'm gonna show y'all. I just tied these wires up to ride the bike. I'm thinking the motor blew up. So son told me to, I'm like, that's kind of weird that the wire was popped like that. So after I put it back together properly, put the key in, start playing around with the app, guess what happened? Check this out. I ain't ride this bike in 3 weeks, thinking that the motor blew up. Whole time, it was one of the damn wires that I didn't connect properly with the throttle. So this motor still works. That's insane. I'm definitely gonna be posting some more videos soon. Good thing I started going through those wires. But I already ordered that other motor, so it don't matter. I'm gonna need a bigger motor. That's on the 500 watt motor. I got a 3,000 watt motor coming. Then I'll be able to go 50. This weekend I'm gonna be connecting those two batteries together to make a 100 amp battery. 26 amp hours. So yeah, back on the road. Some cable management. I found that one of my throttle wires had done popped loose, and for 3 weeks I thought my motor was blue. But me and my dog, we about to slide, dog. Cause we just found out. Put this right here, Cart. Let's show him. Let's show him what we just found out. Come stand right here, my boy. Stay right there, my boy, my cameraman. Check out what we just found out, y'all. Look at this here. Look what we just found out.
Daddy!
Don't touch the camera, boy.
I did!
The motor's still running, y'all.
What?
So, don't be a lame duck like me and take my advice and make sure you connect your damn cables properly. We back on the road, y'all. We back on the road. Just like I said, for 3 weeks, I thought my motor was messed up. And what it was one of the wires off the control, off the throttle, had popped the loose because I didn't properly connect it to the connector. And y'all will see that video.
That way, Dad.
Sit up.
Oh my.
We back on the road, dog. I feel so good right now, bro. Bro, we ride the bike in almost a month, Carter. It been 3 weeks. Next week would have made 4.
This way.
No, we can't go in there, bro. But we back on it.
No.
What these people doing? We only got it on level 2 right now, and we ain't even going I'm running it at 30 amps right now. We only got it at 30 amps. And you know the controller can go 80 amps. So it's at 30 amps, 48 volts.
I got this way.
Y'all do the math. What it is? 4, 8, 12 plus 1200 plus 24. That's what, 1440. 1440 watts. You record it? That bit hard, ain't it? You like it?
No, that's the wing.
They got, it look like that's a wrap.
It'll be
I
like.
don't know what that is.
I know the car.
How they got that on there? Oh, I see the tape. They got tape holding the lights on there. You can't even really see it. Turn it that way. That would look hard. Yeah. Yeah. Wanna go in the car wash?
No. It's pink.
You probably stinking, Carter.
Ew.
It smell like doo-doo.
Ew.
Yeah, boy. I'm happy. Huh? Not right now. I'm so happy, bro. We got the bike back, car.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't wait till we get done and get the bike up, bro.
Where got that ticket? Where got this way?
We can't go through there.
And this way? What?
Come back, scoot back. There you go.
I got this.
You wanna go home?
No. That's this. And this way.
Huh?
This way.
Alright, we're gonna go that way.
That way. Oh, goodbye.
We can leave that right now without the new motor, Carter. Trust me.
Yeah.
I ain't even got this thing burnt all the way up.
Go this way. Daddy, no.
Yeah.
For me.
Go that way? No, it's too dark right now, bro. We gotta go around. Turn the camera on. Yeah, you happy?
Yeah.
You happy you ride the bike again?
Yes.
When you ride the bike in
No!
almost 2 weeks,
No,
Carter.
Daddy! No! I got put a flying
Truck.
foot.
You happy?
Yeah.
We ride the bike in 3 weeks, Carter.
I think right.
We back on the road, bro. I can't believe that one wire that was popped, and that wire popped while we was out driving. So if you into bikes, especially DIY, tell them, Carter, make sure
Metal.
that you properly
Quantity.
connect your wires,
I want it.
or you gonna be ass out. Don't say that word, Carter.
I got.
Oh! It tried to come get us. You saw that?
Yeah. Now what? I want again.
You got scared?
Yeah.
The cat tried to chase us, bro.
Huh?
We'll bust that cat.
No, you see cat.
Huh?
I didn't eat a cat.
Ooh.
What was again?
Scoot back. Scoot back.
I did that here.
Huh?
I did that here.
What?
I did that. Oh, again.
Scoot back.
Oh,
Sit down. There you go. There you go.
I'm gonna do again. Daddy,
What?
I'm gonna do again.
Mm-hmm.
Tape it.